Yo my dudes, so I'm ecstatic to announce that I will now be sponsored by AUTOMOTIVE, as well as I'll be doing a little bit of a giveaway for you guys as well. Another thing I'm excited about is that I will now be a distributor for all types of aftermarket parts for your BMW, your Honda, your Toyota, your VW, etc. What that means is, let's say for example you have a Golf 6, an entry level model, I'll be able to supply a full kit which will make your car look exactly like a Golf 6R. I'm also able to get you the ARC coilovers for any type of car as well. Heading to the giveaway, what the giveaway is going to be is a Polo 6 WRC front bumper. So to my understanding, those bumpers are fairly rare because those bumpers only came on the WRC Polo. The WRC Polo was a homologation car for VW in order for them to basically partake in a certain rally. So how you guys can enter for the giveaway is, you need to follow me on my Instagrams, as well as give me a subscription on my YouTube account. You basically just need to send me proof that you are following my Instagram and subscribe to my channel. You can send it to my personal Instagram. I will then list all of your names down and basically generate a winner. The cool thing about this giveaway is that you are not just going to get the bumper. What we're going to do is we're going to meet up with you and then color match your bumper to your car, as well as fit it on your car as well. If you do not own a Polo 6, in this day in life, there's so many people that owns a Polo 6, so you can even gift it to someone as well. So yeah guys, I'm extremely excited about giving you guys this giveaway. So let's continue this video. Yo my dudes, welcome back to the channel. So what we do plan on doing today is to link up again with Tyler with this FN2 Type R. What I also failed to mention in the previous video is that Tyler actually made 170 odd kilowatts. I think it could have been 172, 175, I'm not quite sure. That is the, how can I say, the outcome of the old dyno tune. However, what we do plan on doing today is to fit, I think it's a 90mm induction. So like I mentioned in the previous video, K20 likes breathing mods, so that will also go hand in hand with the J35 setup or J35 throttle body that it has on the car today. Another thing I failed to mention is that his car was actually due for a service as well, so that is also why it wasn't performing as good, as well as the car was heat soaked because of the heat. So yeah, I'm gonna link up with him right now. We are going to install not the J35, the 90mm throttle body, and I think there's another thing that he's also going to add onto the car as well. And then we possibly just gonna go for a drive and see how different the car is as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's bust the move. Say if you use a PVC, it works better in terms of heat, right?
Yeah.
Would you say this is better than silicone, or?
Well, silicone tends to flex a bit. If you get a lot of flex with silicone, and generally that is different. Depends what you want to go for, but you do get guys that do like silicone.
So the coilover is, I couldn't get on the dynos.
Oh, I was gonna say, yeah, plus you have the dyno coming up over
Yeah,
here.
so I do everything when it's done. Once the car's tuned again, now with the big induction, then I'll just make the front lower. I'm happy with the back, it's just the front I'm not happy with.
Now actually is it like front wheel drive because of the
Front wheel drive motor. So I've still got the. You can't see it from here. If you see it from that side, you'll see the transfer case is still there. The prop part where it bolts to the flange is still there, and the difference obviously still there. I just need to put on my prop and that's it. And I can drive the car wheel drive again. But I don't have time and I need to sit in the car for the full day.
Yo guys, so as you guys have seen in the video, we just left Anis's place. He did a 76mm into 90mm and then also battery relocation. I have Tyler with me here. So we're just gonna go for a little bit of a drive. To my understanding, the car still needs to be tuned, obviously after the new modifications has been done. We do plan on linking up with Siraj in future. Might be Friday, it might be Monday. So that is up and coming. I might just add it to this video, or it might be a separate video. But for now, we're just gonna go for a little bit of a drive and show you guys what the car sounds like and how the car pulls.
Sounds different. So I'm just getting interested now in seeing the tune.
Sounds much louder.
Yeah. Nice breathing
For
now.
me, some reason I can hear the exhaust also a lot, like louder also.
Yeah. Nice breathing a lot, bro. I can feel my foot. There's that girling girl.
Sounds insane.
That yelling girl always gets you at the wrong time, bro. This is like
My favorite. Okay guys, so Tyler's just gonna let me drive the car quickly. I'm just gonna drive the car back to where my car is parked as well, just to feel what the car feels like. Yeah.
and hopefully we don't miss second gear.
I feel like when you hit cut out and then it slips
Yeah.
for some reason.
That's why, yeah, we had changed. Just listen how I change.
Is it the turn of you? No, no.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Not you. Robot. Maybe I was going
Here we go. Straight through.
right.
Okay guys, so I just drove the car right now and I can say that there's a lot of differences on the car. I do feel like there is a tune needed as well. One of the things I picked up also, which I mentioned to Tyler, is that when I put the clutch in and the car basically deaccelerates slower than normal. So when you put it in a gear and like leave, it's like there's still how can I say, there's still like the car still accelerating a little bit. So yeah, in future Tyler does plan on tuning the car by Siraj on Friday or on Monday, like I previously mentioned. No?
Yeah.
So
like
the
Monday latest.
So I'm hopefully gonna tag you guys along for that. I know in the previous video there was a little bit of a confusion. Siraj was currently busy, and then Herman had to tune the car, and then I think Siraj's, what did Siraj do? He
done a base map.
So basically, so the car can be how can I say, drivable, etc. So going forward, Siraj will now tune the car. Also, another thing I want to mention is that Siraj, his dyno is very stingy. So if you guys see low numbers, just bear in mind that a lot of you guys know that his dyno is very stingy. Maybe in future we can maybe do a power run by Exceed or etc. and then just show you guys the difference in that as well. But one thing's for sure, I can feel the car is much more different. This is the first time I'm driving the car with the J35 as well as with 76 into 90mm induction. And then also if you guys are interested in the same setup, the induction with the battery relocation, you guys can make contact with Anis Sparky. Also, what is his company's name now again? Superior something. But anyway, you guys can make contact with him. I'll put this information in the description. To my understanding, he charges 226.
Yeah.
That includes everything as well as installation as well. So please make contact with him. So yeah, that is his logo as well. Superior Automotive SA. So he's also well known on how can I say, in the race scene. What you guys also see is that yellow car. I think it's B18 turbo. It's also worked. I think he did the rods and the pistons, etc. He mentioned a few things. I'll just maybe put that information as well later in this video. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys did enjoy this, please give this video a thumbs up, and we'll be seeing Tyler later this week or next week. So see you guys next time. Peace.